Coming up on Uncle Lou's Kitchen. So for the vegan carbonara, we're starting off with 1 portion of eggless tagliatelle, just check the ingredients, 1 glug of extra virgin olive oil, half a cup of plant-based milk, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegan Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and some flat leaf parsley for garnish, or curly, that's fine. And I'm using Rudd's Plentiful plant-based pancetta. If you don't have this, just use vegan bacon, it's fine, it's a cheat. The Italians will complain, but hey. Now, to a pot of boiling water, we're gonna add in our tagliatelle. Just make sure there's salt in the water. It should be as salty as the sea. Now we're gonna make a quick slurry using our plant-based milk and the cornstarch. Give it a good stir. Make sure that's well combined because you don't want any lumps whatsoever. And we're gonna make our cream sauce. Traditionally, this is made with eggs, not cream, contrary to popular belief, but we don't have that, so this is what we do. Now, in a cold pan, we're gonna add that in and bring that to the boil. Do not add this to a hot pan. Keep stirring it, make sure there's no lumps, and keep an eye on it throughout, and you'll see that that will thicken up. Now, in theory, what you want to be doing is this alongside the pancetta, because you don't really want this to sit, but for aesthetic purposes for the video, I'm doing it separately just to show you how everything should look. Now, we're going to heat up some olive oil. I'm using a lot. And we're going to grab a handful of the vegan pancetta on a medium flame, and we're going to lightly fry that until it goes crispy, just like you see right there. Next, I'm adding in the pepper and the salt, and I'm adding in the cream. Give it a good stir, and add in the tagliatelle. Next, I'm adding in the vegan Parmesan and giving it a good stir. And with a ladle, I'm just going to add in some of the starchy water from the pasta. That's just going to thicken up the sauce even more. As you can see, I've garnished that with some olive oil, some cracked salt, the vegan Parmesan, and some of the flat leaf parsley on top with a drizzle of olive oil. This is a lovely, lovely dish. Very simple, not overloaded with flavors, but it does the job nicely. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe down below. It'll be most appreciated always. Ciao for now, see you on the next one, and that's how you make vegan tagliatelle carbonara.